French composer Georges Bizet set Carmen on a story by Prosper Mérimée, the French novelist. Bizet was looking for a story that had something that was exotic and strange and out of the common, and he certainly found it in Mérimée's plot. The story tells the tale of a soldier, Don José, who comes from the Basque country and whose regiment is stationed in Seville, who falls in love with the gypsy girl Carmen, who's working temporarily at the cigarette factory in the middle of the city. When the cigarette makers come out into the sunshine to enjoy a cigarette and chat and flirt, Don José spots Carmen, Carmen spots Don José, and it's love at first sight. She throws a flower at him as a symbol of her love. A riot breaks out a little while later when Carmen has gone back into the factory and picked a fight with one of her workmates, and Don José gets involved in the arrest of Carmen, and when he allows her to slip her bonds and run away, Don José finds himself in prison, stripped of his rank, and Carmen, of course, has gone off to join her gypsy fellows. They all meet up in the extraordinary location of Lilas Pastia's Cafe. It's a wonderful bar where all the brigands of town spend their evenings, and Carmen meets her friends Frasquita and Mercedes, and they all get together in a plot which will involve smuggling and all sorts of other excitements and adventures. Don José comes out of prison, and when he arrives at the bar, he sets his cap again at Carmen, but unfortunately he now finds himself with a rival, because Escamillo, the champion bullfighter, has arrived, and he has also caught sight of Carmen and decided that she will be his next conquest. It's not much of a contest, after all. Escamillo is used to dealing with bulls every day of his week, so what's a passing tenor? Well, of course, Carmen and her friends set off across the mountains, carrying their bundles of contraband, and Escamillo comes after Carmen to try and find her and see where she is and invite her to come and attend his great bullfight in the bullring in Seville. Carmen breaks up with Don José. Don José, heartbroken and angry, fights Escamillo, but nothing is going to be enough to turn Carmen away from her new love, and so it's left up to poor old Don José to go and confront Carmen just as she's about to enter the bullring with her lover and challenge her with her infidelity. And what happens then and what happens next, I'll leave you all to find out.